Ladies and gentlemen, it's another week, another 5 stressing episodes of Umkhokha. So, if you're eager to know what Rhythm World is up to this week, then watch this video till the end. I usually see comments from people stating how much they hate Ndlovu on Umkhokha, and I'm here laughing alone watching teasers of the show, and the reason why I'm laughing is because you guys will be seeing Umkhokha in each and every episode of this month. So, on the first scene of this week's teasers, Tifa meets with Zamxolo. It looks like Tifa rejected Zamxolo's offer on being his right hand. Then, Zamxolo ends up accepting that Tifa doesn't want to come back to his position anymore. He then asks him to help him identify a person from the council who is more suitable to take his place, which leads to the second scene. On the second scene, Tifa meets with Ndlovu, I don't know where, but Ndlovu is trying to convince Tifa to suggest him to Zamxolo so that Zamxolo appoint him to be his right hand. And Ndlovu tries everything. He also continues to force his daughter Spahle into Zamxolo, and it looks like he's finally going to succeed on the Friday's episode. On another scene, Mabusi gets the same dreams as the one that Rosoda was getting before she died, which raises more concern about Mabusi. This was shown on the teasers when Mabusi was talking to Spamandla, telling him that Mzobe is asking her to find the bags. You guys will also remember that Mzobe tried getting rid of the bag last week, but she couldn't. Because of that, she then went to see Sangoma to seek guidance, and the Sangoma told her that the only person who has answers to her problems is Mabusi, and obviously, Mzobe was never going to allow an outcast to have access on his Kwama, so she decided to take the bags and hide them in her yard. But what is consoling about this news is that at the end of the teasers, we see Mabusi digging in the yard, which means she might find those bags. I honestly don't know how to feel about this week's Umkhokha. I'm feeling like there's nothing wow to expect, but you guys can comment on the comment section and share your thoughts and opinions regarding this topic. And if you enjoy content on this video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram, and TikTok. And this is where it ends. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.